Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring one of nature's most powerful plants, aloe vera. Specifically, we'll focus on the health benefits of aloe vera juice and why it's been gaining so much popularity. From digestion to skin health, aloe vera juice offers a host of benefits. Stick around to learn how this natural wonder can transform your well-being. What is aloe vera juice? Aloe vera juice is derived from the gel inside the leaves of the aloe vera plant. This plant has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal and cosmetic properties. The juice is made by crushing or grinding the entire aloe vera leaf, followed by filtering and purifying the liquid. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a popular choice for those looking to improve their health naturally. Nutritional profile of aloe vera juice. Before diving into the benefits, let's look at the nutritional profile of aloe vera juice. It's packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, E, and several B vitamins, including B12. Minerals, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Antioxidants, help combat free radicals and oxidative stress. Amino acids, including essential ones that the body can't produce on its own. Enzymes, help with digestion by breaking down sugars and fats. Benefit number 1, supports digestive health. One of the most well-known benefits of aloe vera juice is its ability to aid digestion. It contains compounds that help break down food, ensuring your digestive system runs smoothly. Aloe vera juice can reduce symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn by soothing the stomach lining. Act as a mild laxative, helping with constipation. Promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for overall health. If you often experience digestive discomfort, adding a small amount of aloe vera juice to your daily routine could be a game changer. Benefit number 2, boosts hydration. Hydration is key to good health, and aloe vera juice is an excellent way to stay hydrated. It's primarily made up of water and contains electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. Proper hydration. Supports kidney function. Helps maintain healthy skin. Keeps your energy levels high. Whether you're an athlete or someone who struggles to drink enough water, aloe vera juice can be a refreshing alternative. Benefit number 3, enhances skin health. Aloe vera is a staple in skincare, and drinking its juice can have just as many benefits as applying it topically. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help reduce the appearance of acne and blemishes. Promote the production of collagen, keeping skin firm and youthful. Combat signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. By drinking aloe vera juice, you're nourishing your skin from the inside out. Benefit number 4, supports the immune system. Aloe vera juice is loaded with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in supporting your immune system. These antioxidants fight free radicals that can cause damage to your cells. Reduce inflammation in the body. The vitamins and minerals in aloe vera juice, especially vitamin C, also give your immune system a natural boost, helping you ward off illnesses. Benefit number 5, aids in detoxification. In today's world, our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from food, air, and other sources. Aloe vera juice can help detoxify your body naturally. Its hydrating properties and enzymes support your liver in flushing out toxins, while its laxative effect ensures regular bowel movements. A clean digestive system and well-functioning liver are essential for overall health. Benefit number 6, promotes healthy weight management. For those on a weight loss journey, aloe vera juice can be a helpful addition to your diet. It's low in calories and can improve metabolism by enhancing digestion. Suppress appetite, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Help the body break down fats and sugars more efficiently. While it's not a magic weight loss solution, incorporating aloe vera juice into a balanced diet can support your efforts. Benefit number 7, reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health conditions, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Aloe vera juice contains anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe inflammation in the digestive tract, reduce joint pain and stiffness in people with arthritis, support overall body health by combating systemic inflammation. If you're dealing with inflammation-related issues, aloe vera juice might provide some relief. How to incorporate aloe vera juice into your routine. Now that you know the benefits, how can you start drinking aloe vera juice? Here are a few tips. 1. Start small. Begin with 1 to 2 ounces daily to ensure your body tolerates it well. 2. Mix it up. Aloe vera juice has a slightly bitter taste, so mix it with water, smoothies, or fruit juice. 3. Choose quality. Look for pure, organic aloe vera juice without added sugars or artificial flavors. 4. Be consistent. Like any health supplement, regular use is key to reaping the benefits. Precautions and side effects. While aloe vera juice is generally safe, there are a few things to keep in mind. Laxative effect. Drinking too much can cause diarrhea or abdominal cramps. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to aloe vera, so test a small amount first. Medication interactions. If you're on any medications, consult your doctor before adding aloe vera juice to your routine. Aloe vera juice is a versatile, nutrient-rich drink with numerous health benefits, from improved digestion to glowing skin and a stronger immune system. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can take a step toward better health naturally. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. Until next time, stay healthy and hydrated.